So it was pretty obvious that even after all the nerfs that the Cobalt Card has been through, it's still one of the best rewards cards in Canada. Honestly, that's not surprising. I mean, there's hardly any credit cards out there that can compete with almost 10% rewards for groceries. So if one card can't compete with the Cobalt Card, what about 2 cards? Now, it might be a little bit confusing, but not too long ago, RBC released the Avion Plus Visa card, which I made a video about a couple months ago, but I didn't like it that much. I mean, the card costed $48 a year, and even though the rewards had high multipliers, each point was not worth much. I mean, not to mention, the card's insurance package wasn't good. So the card itself definitely wasn't worth $48 a year. However, what I didn't mention was that the Avion Plus Visa card wasn't meant to be used alone. Now, this is a secret not many people know about, especially if you're not in the RBC Avion points ecosystem. But the best way to maximize the RBC Avion Plus Visa card is to pair it with the RBC Avion Visa Infinite. Which means, yes, you're gonna have to pay for 2 cards with an annual fee. And since the RBC Avion Visa Infinite costs $120 a year, you're looking at $168 a year for the 2 cards combined. But why does pairing the RBC Avion Visa Infinite make the Avion Plus Visa card so much better? The secret is in how the Avion points work. You see, when you're shopping with the Avion Plus Visa, you're getting rewarded with Avion Premium points, which is not the same as what you would get if you used a higher tier credit card from RBC. So if you were to shop using a higher tier credit card from RBC like the Avion Visa Infinite, you'll be rewarded with Avion Elite points. Again, Avion Premium points is not the same as Avion Elite points. The point values are different. Avion Premium points is worth at most 1 cent if you transfer over the points to WestJet. In most scenarios, you're getting much less than that. So the RBC Avion Plus Visa by itself, true, you're getting 3 times multipliers for groceries, restaurants, and a bunch of other categories, which is great. But if each Avion Premium point isn't worth much, it doesn't matter the multipliers, the card will still suck. Now, the Avion Elite points, the points that you get with the higher tier RBC credit cards, those are worth a lot more. Those can be worth up to 2.33 cents per point if you redeem it through the RBC travel portal. Here's the problem. The RBC Avion Visa Infinite has crappy, like terrible multipliers. Bro, 1.25 points for travel and 1 point for everything else? They don't even offer multipliers for groceries and restaurants. So this is an interesting situation. The Avion Plus Visa has high multipliers but crappy rewards point value. The Avion Visa Infinite, however, has crappy multipliers but high points rewards value. But what many people don't know is that if you own the RBC Avion Visa Infinite card, you can transfer the points you earned on the Avion Plus Visa, you know, those crappy Avion Premium points, to Avion Elite points at a 1-to-1 ratio. Which means if you get the Avion Plus Visa as well as the Avion Visa Infinite Combo, you do all your shopping with the Avion Plus Visa card. Well, at least in the categories with 3 times multipliers. You know, groceries, dining, transit, and streaming services. So what you do is you earn 3 times multipliers for Avion Premium points, transfer over to Avion Elite points, which is something you can do if you own the RBC Avion Visa Infinite card, and basically get up to 7% rewards for using your Avion Plus Visa card. Now, here's the thing. Chances are you're not getting 7% rewards. To even get 2.33 cents per Avion Elite point, you can only redeem for flights that are adjacent provinces or adjacent states. And even then, it's almost impossible. I mean, the max ticket price you can redeem for 2.33 cents per point is $175. So if your ticket costs more than that, you're not getting full value. On top of that, you can only redeem the base airfare price. So any tax, fuel surcharge, and any additional crap, you're gonna have to pay extra, cause the redemption doesn't cover that. Honestly, this is the same when you redeem with any bank travel portals. When you redeem for flights, they make it really hard for you to maximize your points. In addition, these bank portals, through my research, always slightly mark up the price of the flight tickets. This is compared to Expedia or directly purchasing through the airlines. I mean, that makes sense. That's how banks make their money. But then again, the potential to earn up to 7% return when you pair the Avion Plus Visa card as well as the Avion Visa Infinite card is still incredible. Combo. So here's the big question. How does the Avion Plus Visa and the Avion Visa Infinite Combo compare with the Cobalt Card? Cause let's be honest, the golden standard for a great credit card in Canada is the Cobalt Card. So let's check out the differences. First of all, the Avion Plus Visa and the Avion Visa Infinite Combo cost $14 a month. The Cobalt Card costs $13. That's a $1 monthly difference, which isn't a lot, but after 1 year, that is $12, which honestly still isn't a lot. So based on the annual fee, it's still hard to tell which one's better. Okay, let's assume each Avion Elite point is worth 2 cents instead of 2.33 cents. Because we mentioned earlier, it's almost impossible to get 2.33 cents value for your Avion Elite point. Which means for grocery and dining purchases, the RBC combo will give you about 6% rewards. For the Cobalt Card, you're getting 5 times multipliers for groceries and restaurants. And since each MX point is worth about 2 cents if you convert it to Aeroplan points, that's about 10% rewards. So on paper, yeah, the Cobalt Card's better. It's cheaper and it's got better rewards for groceries and restaurants. But there's a couple things that the RBC combo does better. First of all, you get 6% return on many categories, not just groceries and restaurants. Some categories include transit and streaming services. I don't know if OnlyFans counts as streaming services.
What did you say?
What? So you don't need to use the gift card hack to get that high return. However, for the Cobalt Card, yeah, you could technically get 10% return for many categories as well, but you'll need to go to the grocery store and buy gift cards, and that's a lot of time wasted. On top of that, the Cobalt Card has a $2,500 monthly spending limit for groceries and restaurants. Any more you spend per month, you don't get bonus multipliers. Which means if you have the Cobalt Card, there's more of a budgetary concern, especially if you frequently use the gift card hack. I mean, look how happy I am. I'm one of those people that constantly uses the gift card hack. With the RBC combo, there's no spending limit for any categories. At least I couldn't find any. So technically, you can keep using the gift card hack and you'll be fine. Of course, the RBC combo's return won't be as good as the Cobalt Card, but you have no budgetary concerns. Another benefit is that the RBC combo is Visa and not American Express, which means more grocery stores and restaurants will take your Avion Plus Visa. I mean, for me personally, I shop at TNT a lot. You know, the biggest Asian supermarket chain in Canada, and they don't take MX. So for me, I mean, I spend like a couple $100s at TNT all the time.
That's because you always buy junk food there.
No, I don't. Okay, maybe I do. But the fact that this combo is Visa instead of Amex is a big benefit to a lot of people. But remember, Visa doesn't treat Walmart supercenters as grocery stores. MasterCard does. So if you use the RBC Visa combo to shop at Walmart supercenters in Canada, you're not getting bonus multipliers. The other benefit of this combo is that you get 3 cents per liter back at Petro-Canada, which is about 1.5% rewards. So technically, this combo gives you about 8.5% return on investment for gas. Now, let's talk about the disadvantages of this combo compared to the Cobalt Card. First of all, it's a little bit more expensive. Now, I know that's only $1 more per month, but still, the whole point of using credit cards to pay for your purchase is to maximize rewards while minimizing the costs. Which brings me to the rewards. Amex points are just more flexible than Avion Elite points. The maximum value of each Avion Elite point is 2.33 cents, whereas I've heard of stories of people getting up to 6 cents value for Amex points. That's if you transfer Amex points to Aeroplan points. So in general, if you average everything out, the Cobalt Card offers 10% rewards for groceries and restaurants, whereas the RBC Visa combo offers only about 6%. Now, 6% is impressive, don't get me wrong, but it's not the Cobalt Card. So what's the final verdict? Honestly, I have to say the Avion Plus Visa and the Avion Visa Infinite Combo is a damn good alternative to the Cobalt Card. Especially useful for people that shop a lot at Loblaws branded supermarkets that don't take Amex. Or if you're like me that eats a lot of Church's chicken that doesn't take Amex. Oh my god. Oh, that's so good. Oh. No? Just me? And there's no limit to how many times you can use the gift card hack. But here's the thing, the potential to earn 10% rewards for the Cobalt Card is sometimes too good to pass up. Especially when you do a lot of your transactions with a gift card. Or you eat out a lot at places that take Amex. Now here's the thing, I actually shop at Walmart Supercenters quite often. So personally, I would actually consider the MBNA Rewards World Elite MasterCard over this combo. But then again, this is a great alternative to the Cobalt Card. So anyways, that's it for today. If you learned something from the video, a like and sub will always be appreciated. Again, it just helps the YouTube algorithm push my channel out to more Canadians in need of personal finance content. What do you think about the Avion Plus Visa as well as the Avion Visa Infinite Combo? Leave it in the comments down below. And if you're new to the channel, I make financial tips for Canadians in my long form content and financial comedy in my shorts. With that said, thank you for watching and I will see you next time.